In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to replace documents in Docusign templates without losing fields. This might seem a bit daunting at first, but don't worry. We'll go through it step by step, and by the end, you'll be able to do this with ease. First, let's start by navigating to Docusign's website, the #1 platform for electronic signature and agreement management. Once you're there, you'll see the option to log in. If you haven't already, go ahead and click on the login button. You'll need your credentials handy, so make sure you have those ready to go. After logging in, you'll find yourself at the Docusign homepage. From this page, there's a plethora of options, so let's focus on what we need today. Next, we want to move to the templates section. On the homepage, find and click on the templates option. This will direct you to a list of all your templates. This is the hub where you can manage everything related to your templates, from editing to creating new ones. Now look through your list of templates and select the one you want to modify. Once you've chosen the template, it's time to move on to editing. You'll see an edit option next to your template. Click on it to open the editing interface where all changes can be made. Here's where things get interesting. Within the template editing interface, find the 3-dot icon, usually located at the top of your document options. Click on these 3 dots to reveal more actions you can perform. Among these options, you'll find Replace. Selecting Replace will allow you to update the documents in your template. When replacing a document, it's crucial to ensure the new document aligns correctly with the existing fields. Docusign is quite intuitive in preserving your fields, but double checking alignment can save you from any surprises later on. Also, make sure that the document format is compatible with Docusign to prevent any issues during replacement. After replacing the documents, go through your template to ensure all fields are intact and correctly matched to the new document. This verification step is essential to maintain the integrity of your document templates and ensure the workflow continues smoothly. And there you have it. By following these steps, you'll be efficiently replacing documents in your Docusign templates without losing the important fields that make your documents functional and professional. With practice, this task will become second nature. Thank you for tuning into today's tutorial. I hope this guide has made the process clearer and more manageable for you. Stay tuned for more helpful tips and tricks on using Docusign effectively. Don't hesitate to reach out if you have any questions or need further assistance. Until next time, happy document signing.